Welcome back to our Greek DIY, your number one source for practical tips and organic farming solutions. In today's video, we will talk about a common problem that frustrates many farmers: cabbage head split. Why does it happen? How can you fix it? And most importantly, how can you prevent it from happening again? Now let's dive in. Cabbage head split is a condition where the cabbage hairs suddenly cracks open, usually when it's almost ready for harvest. This split not only spoils the beauty of your cabbage but also reduces the market value and can invite diseases and rot to your cabbage farm. There are several key causes behind cabbage hair splitting. The first one is excessive or sudden water intake. When cabbages take up water too quickly, especially after a long dry spell, the inner leaves expand faster than the outer leaves. This pressure builds up inside the head, causing it to split open. Secondly, irregular watering schedules. Uneven watering, sometimes dry, sometimes soaked, stresses the plant and makes splitting more likely. Thirdly, overmature hairs. When cabbages stay too long in the field after maturity, they continue absorbing water even though the head is tight. This extra pressure can lead to cracking. Fourth one is excess nitrogen fertilizer. Too much nitrogen fertilizer encourages fast lash growth that can make hairs swell rapidly and burst. Heavy rainfall, irrigation after drought, sudden rains after a dry period are one of the most common natural triggers of cabbage hair splitting. And lastly, the variety susceptibility. Some cabbage varieties are naturally more prone to splitting than others. If you've already noticed some hairs starting to split, here's what you can do. You harvest immediately. You pick mature or partially split hairs right away before the problem spreads. They can still be used at home or sold locally before they rot. Reduce watering frequency. Avoid overwatering, especially after rainfall. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Apply mulch, because mulching helps keep soil moisture consistent, preventing those sudden changes that cause splitting. You twist or lift the head slightly. You gently twist the cabbage head to break some of the roots. This reduces water uptake and slows down growth, preventing further splitting. Use proper fertilizer balance. Stop applying nitrogen-rich fertilizers when hairs begin to form. Switch to potassium-rich for firmness and tight hairs. Choose resistant varieties and select cabbage varieties that are known for their resistance to splitting. Prune roots if necessary. If splitting seems imminent due to an unexpected rainfall, you can sever some of the roots by twisting the head and carefully cutting the soil on one or two sides of the plant. This will slow water uptake, but the cabbage should be harvested soon after. Here are some preventive measures. To prevent cabbage hair splitting in future crops, follow these preventive tips. Maintain consistent watering. You water your cabbages evenly throughout the growing season. Avoid letting soil dry out completely and then soaking it suddenly. Also, you improve drainage, because plant on raised beds or ridges to prevent waterlogging after rains. Harvest on time. Don't wait too long after the hairs are firm and mature, usually within 70 to 90 days depending on your variety. Also, you choose resistant varieties because some cabbage varieties are naturally less prone to splitting. Check seed labels for split resistant types. Mulch your beds. Use straw, grass clippings or dry leaves to keep soil temperature and moisture stable. And lastly, you avoid over-fertilization and use moderate balanced fertilizer, because too much nitrogen is a common mistake that goes unnoticed. So, hope you learned something new. In summary, cabbage hair splitting is mostly caused by sudden changes in soil moisture and overgrowth pressure. The best way to fight it is to water consistently, harvest on time, and maintain balanced nutrition. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than cure. Keep your soil steady, your watering routine regular, and your cabbages will stay firm and market ready. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or thumbs up. Share it to benefit other farmers, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell button for more weekly organic farming tips. Drop your questions or farming challenges in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Happy farming. Bye for now.